To view the list of education service contracting grantees per school year, go to View List of ESC Grantees in the navigation panel and select the school year by clicking the drop-down list beside the page title. To display the list of ESC grantees per grade level, click the plus sign. Click the minus sign to minimize the selection. To print a list of ESC grantees, select the type of list from the drop-down list. All for a list of billed and unbilled ESC grantees. All billed for a list of billed ESC grantees. All billed with billing status of submitted to DepEd CO and payment released for a list of billed ESC grantees with the indicated billing status only. Click Print Grantee List, and the system will generate a PDF file of the type of list selected.